Hey there, welcome to our vlog. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to. How to handle those moments when your partner is mad at you. We'll be sharing practical tips and strategies to effectively address conflicts, rebuild trust, and strengthen your relationship. From sincere apologies and active listening to finding common ground through compromise, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to navigate the challenges of anger in relationships and foster a healthier connection, let's jump right in. When your partner is mad at you, it's important to address the situation with care and open communication. Here are some steps you can take to handle the situation effectively. 1. Give them space. Allow your partner some time and space to process their emotions. It's essential not to push them to talk or resolve the issue immediately if they need some time to cool down. 2. Reflect on your actions. Take some time to think about what might have caused your partner's anger. Consider your words, actions, or any other behaviors that could have contributed to their upset feelings. Reflecting on your own behavior shows maturity and a willingness to take responsibility. 3. Apologize sincerely. Once your partner has had time to calm down, approach them and express your genuine apologies. Be specific about what you did or said that caused the issue and take full responsibility for your actions. Ensure that your apology is sincere and heartfelt. 4. Listen actively. When your partner is ready to talk, be attentive and actively listen to their concerns. Allow them to express their feelings and thoughts without interruption. Demonstrate empathy and understanding, acknowledging their emotions and validating their perspective. 5. Communicate openly. After listening to your partner's perspective, share your own thoughts and feelings calmly and honestly. Avoid becoming defensive or placing blame. Instead, focus on understanding each other's viewpoints and finding a resolution. 6. Seek compromise. Look for a middle ground that both of you can agree upon. Be open to making changes or adjustments to prevent similar issues from arising in the future. Compromise and finding common ground can help rebuild trust and strengthen your relationship. 7. Give reassurance. Reassure your partner of your love, commitment, and dedication to working through the issue together. Show them that you are willing to make amends and take the necessary steps to improve the situation. 8. Learn from the experience. Use the situation as an opportunity for personal growth and learning. Reflect on what you can do differently in the future to avoid similar conflicts and improve your relationship. Remember, every relationship is unique and these steps might need to be adapted based on your specific circumstances. It's important to maintain open and honest communication to resolve conflicts and build a stronger connection with your partner. And that's a wrap for today's vlog. We hope you found our tips and strategies helpful in managing conflicts when your partner is upset. Remember, open communication, empathy, and a willingness to learn are key ingredients in nurturing a strong and resilient relationship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more relationship advice and insights. We'll be back soon with more valuable content to help you create the loving and harmonious partnership you deserve. Until next time, take care and keep building those meaningful connections.